Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel again. In this video, I explain to you how to create a new administrator account for Windows 11, as Windows 11 allows you to create a local administrator account in more than one way, and I will explain the steps to you so that you can add an administrator user to your computer. Let's get started quickly. Click on the Start menu, and from there click on the Windows 11 settings. From the settings page, click on Accounts on the left side. Then select the Other Users option from the other side. Here, in the Other Users section, click on the Add Account button. This will open Local Users and Groups window so that you can add or remove users. Open the Users folder, then right-click on any empty space in the window, and from the menu, select New User. Then enter the username, and also enter the password that the new user will use. Then deselect the option, User must change password at next login. And select the option, Password never expires, and also the option the user cannot change password. Finally, click on the Create button, and the new user will be created immediately. But this user is considered a limited user, and this user must be given administrator privileges, so that he becomes an administrator user. Right-click on the user that was just created, and select Properties. Then click on the Member of tab, then click on Add button, then Advanced button, and then Find Now button. Then select the Administrators group, and click OK, and thus the user has been added to the Administrators group, and thus the user has administrator privileges. Now you can log out of the current account, and log in with the new administrator user account, and thus you have a new administrator account. There are other ways to create a new administrator account on Windows 11, but this method is considered one of the best, fastest and most correct methods used to create users, whether local or administrator account. Thank you for watching. I hope that the video is useful to you. I also hope to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.